Salam of the Khans from Sarzameen France, Mera Gaon, Dijon.
Dijon is known for its fabulous gingerbreads, so I'm gonna taste all these and so should you, and worry about the calories later. This is the traditional gingerbread loaf. This is how big it is. It's almost 6 kgs. As you can see, it's cut into segments and sold. This here at Mulo and Pratishtha is made exactly the way it is being made for hundreds of years.
Shop for some mustard cause there are endless varieties to choose from. The whole street is filled with cafes, so just choose one and chill and eat.
Do a wine tasting in a centuries-old wine cellar. This is one of the best things to do in Dijon.
While you are in Dijon, do not forget to visit this closed market because this is the place for your fruits, your veggies, your cheeses, your cold cuts, everything fresh. So Mr. Khan and I are about to eat snails for the first time, and these are the French Escargots. This is so good.
आहिस्ते से digest हो गई because snail is so slow.
Get to the top of the Philippe Le Bon Tower and see the cityscape.
Namaste from Dijon.
Namaste from Dijon.
Come here soon.
Come here soon.